when a person misses his witr prayer, or generally speaking, his night prayer, and he wakes only for Fajr. So does he have to, and underline the word have to, does he have to make up for the night prayer missed? The answer is no. It is not a must. It is not mandatory. It is something highly recommended. Okay, then if it's recommended, how do I do it? You have the time between after Fajr, after the sunrise, 15 minutes after the sunrise, up till about 5 to 10 minutes before the adhan of Dhuhr. This is the time where you can make up for your night prayer. And how do I come about this? Well, if you pray total night prayer 11 rak'ahs, then you should add 1 rak'ah to make it even numbers, and you pray that 12 rak'ahs during the daytime, 2, 2, 2 until you finish 12. If your habit is to pray 7 rak'ahs, 4 shafa and 3 witr, for example, as people say it, then you add another rak'ah and you pray 8. And likewise, if you pray 3 rak'ahs as witr, add another rak'ah and pray 4 rak'ah. This is the way that you should do to make up for your missed witr prayer.